Most organizations find that the integration of applications is a complex job. As companies grow, more applications are required to support the business. Finance, CRM, and ERP systems are put in place to address specific needs. As these applications grow, other organizations across the enterprise recognize the value of the data, and new databases are created to support business intelligence and analytics. The need to exchange data with external partners and deploy applications off-premise drives more and more data through the organizations. This data can be in a variety of formats, including industry standards and proprietary formats. This is where things get complex. Finance needs ERP data. CRM needs ERP data. Both these applications need feeds from finance as well as from each other. Over time, the organization has invested in interfaces that are handled as single-solution independent projects. The project teams use varying integration technologies and approaches. Of course, the most direct data path is usually taken, which is point-to-point. These interfaces aren't necessarily problematic. However, over time, their proliferation results in an architecture that is very difficult and expensive to manage and maintain. The interfaces lack consistency in terms of technology and in terms of data quality. A single change to one interface can cause a cascade of unintended problems to many other interfaces. A great deal of time and money has been spent not only in defining, building, testing, and deploying the interface, but in maintaining the interfaces, just keeping the lights on. In the industry, you'll often hear this mess referred to as the integration hairball, and we find this to be a common problem even within the most disciplined of integration competency centers. Analysts prominent in the enterprise data integration space studied the source and impact of the hairball on organizations. Philip Risson from TDWI explains that point-to-point is often referred to as an architecture, when in fact, point-to-point often occurs in the absence of deliberately designed architecture and spawns many of the problems our customers face. The analyst's view is that a hub approach is more strategic and leads to standardization, simplification, reuse, and scalability for large, sophisticated data integration environments, which are all typical goals for the IT teams managing these infrastructures. We understand that data integration problems are not static. They change over time, and solutions are needed to address new problems, like how to simplify and control highly complex data integration environments. The Data Integration Hub solution allows customers to manage their environment in a whole new way by providing several key capabilities out of the box. The ability to persist or retain data enables any data published to the hub to be stored until all of the subscribing applications have successfully received and consumed the data. The data management layer allows customers to centralize data validation and data quality checks. This ensures that data being published is validated once at the time of publication. Any downstream subscribing applications will receive data that can be trusted, eliminating the need for expensive rework. The hub can also invoke data masking, so sensitive data can be secured before it travels to downstream applications. The interaction management layer is the heart of the Data Integration Hub. This is where customers create and manage publications, building a publication library. Users can access the publications they are authorized to use and subscribe to them. Publishers set rules for how the publications can be used, and subscribers determine how they want to receive the data, specifying things like format and data delivery requirements. Publications and subscriptions are built using a wizard, so the complexity of building PowerCenter workflows is hidden. This allows non-developers or business analysts to use the Data Integration Hub to build new interfaces without using engineering resources. Because the hub decouples sources from target applications by using a publish-subscribe integration pattern, It makes it much easier for customers to make changes to the interface, because subscribers can choose when or if they want to take advantage of the changes. The monitoring and control layer allows publication owners to track the fulfillment status of their publications and easily discover if the subscribing systems successfully received the data. With built-in alerting and notifications, publishers and operators know if a publication failed to be delivered and what downstream systems are impacted. In point-to-point environments, this level of visibility is virtually impossible to achieve. Since Metadata Manager is baked into the Data Integration Hub, users can track the lineage of any publication, so impact analysis of changes is as simple as running a report. In many cases, the monitoring and control layer represents the greatest value to our customers because they gain so much visibility over the environment. Our customers see value from the Data Integration Hub because it directly reduces the cost, complexity, and risk of failure of their DI environment by reducing point-to-point integration and redundant workflows. Right-time data delivery, business analyst self-service, and end-to-end visibility allow IT to be more operationally efficient so they can consistently deliver what the business needs on time and on budget.